Basic opening and closing of a butterfly knife. Thumb here, index finger right here. Open these fingers and flick your wrist. When you flick your wrist, it's going to come out. It's going to land right here. When it lands right here, let it roll off your fingers and come back. Now closing, dangle, forward motion like this, swing, get to the tip point, flips, and closes. I did it twice over. I'll do it one more time. Opening, flip over, close. You can do some back rolls, go the opposite way. You can also do the finger flip. Here. It's the reverse. Here. Spins in your hand. From here. Spins in your hand.